The Northern Cape Provincial Treasury, through its Central Supplier Database Unit, in partnership with SEDA, SARS, Standard Bank, the Department of Economic Development and Tourism, and the Tsantsabane local municipality, successfully hosted the annual Supplier Engagement Roadshow in Postmasburg the past 2 days. The Tsantsabane local municipality played a key role in facilitating the event by providing the platform and venue that enabled local businesses, entrepreneurs, emerging contractors, cooperatives, and youth and women-owned enterprises to engage directly with government departments and private sector partners. During the engagement, participants received valuable information on Central Supplier Database registration, government procurement processes, tender compliance requirements, and payment systems.
My name is Lewang Godfrey Nono, Managing Director of Figure Safety Solutions. Our company provides safety services. We are head local municipality of Tsantsabane. Grateful for the opportunity of the roadshow. We hope that the roadshow will continue to be here so that small businesses can grow in future. Thank you.
Representatives from SARS presented information on tax compliance, while SEDA outlined business development support available to SMMEs. Standard Bank shared funding solutions aimed at helping businesses grow and access new opportunities. Stakeholders also provided information on construction, registration and grading, while the Department of Economic Development and Tourism highlighted available incentives, support programs and sector opportunities.
Ek is tans dankbaar vir die geleentheid wat vandag Postmasburg toegekom met SARS en CIPC, Setfale, vir die geleentheid om klein besighede op te help. So ek het 'n klein besigheid naam Roseview Trading Ltd, Pty Ltd. So ek wil graag eendag 'n entrepreneur wees en ek wil graag ook werkskepping vir diegene wat ek sien wat regtig sukkel. So ek sal regtig waardeer as hulle kan help om my besigheid op te help opgroei sodat ek ook vir diegene wat hulp nodig het hulp aanbied. Als dit 'n klein werkie skoonmaak, jou kos maak en my besigheid, tans is ek nou besig om kos te maak. Dis 'n restaurant, ja. Baie dankie vir die geleentheid om vandag hier te kan wees.
This roadshow promoted transparency, strengthened accountability, improved supplier compliance, and encouraged local economic development. Through partnerships such as these, the Tsantsabane local municipality continues to support initiatives that empower local businesses, stimulate entrepreneurship, create employment opportunities, and contribute to sustainable economic growth across the region. This community news was made possible by Minopax, seeking a process attendant to support housekeeping and operational activities at its site near Postmasburg, now offering an excellent opportunity for candidates with the required qualifications and an interest in the mineral processing industry.
Greetings to the residents of Tsantsabane local municipality. My name is Buisile Julai. I'm the Human Rights Advocacy and Research Officer at the South African Human Rights Commission, Northern Cape Provincial Office. As the Commission, we would like to invite all community members to the 2026 Youth Day commemoration that's taking place in the Tsantsabane local municipality. Join us on Friday the 12th, 2026 from 9 o'clock in the morning 2 o'clock in the afternoon at the Newtown Community Hall in Postmasburg. Come and discover opportunities in learnerships, bursaries, skills development programs, employment and entrepreneurship support, education and career guidance, as well as human rights and legal support services. Don't miss this opportunity to empower yourself, to explore your future, and to connect with organizations committed to development. See you then.
My name is Advocate Abraham Mojapelo. I'm from the South African Human Rights Commission. Our office is situated in Appington at Ankoli Building. We are today here in Tsantsabane. I am from the department or the unit that is called Protection Unit. That is the unit that is dealing with actual complaints. When people walk into the office or anyhow send a complaint to us, be it by post, telephonically, we register the complaint, and if we find that there is a human rights violation, then we investigate the complaint, and then we give redress to the complaint. Equally, the Human Rights Commission is also an advisory or a legal clinic. We are also going to contact legal clinic here. At the legal clinic, it is where we are giving you advice on any legal related matters, be it civil, criminal, contractual, whatsoever, any legal related matters. So we'll be here in Tsantsabane for the whole week, and then we are encouraging youth, adults, and everyone to come to our event so that we can be able to help anyhow how we can, but where we cannot help, we will refer your complaint to the relevant institutions. Thank you.
Vandag het die Demokratiese Alliansie buite die Kimberley Landdroshof betoog teen kindermoord en ter ondersteuning van die familie van die vermoorde 3-jarige Othniel Kuyane. Othniel se wrede dood het die gemeenskap geskok en dien as 'n pynlike herinnering dat ons meer moet doen om ons kinders te beskerm. Ons erken die harde werk van die wetstoepassingsbeamptes aan hierdie saak en doen 'n beroep op die strafregstelsel om te verseker dat diegene wat kinders leed aandoen, skuldig bevind en uit die samelewing verwyder word. Die beskerming van kinders vereis 'n gesamentlike poging van die hele gemeenskap. Gemeenskappe, wetstoepassingsagentskappe en die regering moet saamwerk om veiliger omgewings vir ons kinders te skep. Die DA sal voortgaan om te veg vir geregtigheid vir slagoffers van geweldmisdaad en vir 'n samelewing waar elke kind veilig en sonder vrees kan groot word.
Hierdie gemeenskapsnuus was moontlik gemaak deur Mr. Fix in Bosmasburg.